So this is a brief demonstration about the prototyping that we have been doing for Senior Design 1. We're going to record a better video with a more detailed explanation after the final exams week is over. So for now, this is just like a brief demonstration about the features that we want to implement in our project. This is the circuit for a temperature and humidity sensor.
That should be good. You can edit that in.
We can see that humidity is at 51% and the temperature is 78.44 Fahrenheit. I'm going to blow the sensor to see what happens with humidity. We can see that the humidity is rising up. When I blow the sensor, the humidity goes up and temperature is also affected, but my hand is warm. I'm going to touch the sensor to provide some direct warmth to it and see how it goes up. Now temperature should be going up because my hand is providing warmth to the sensor directly. So we can see how the joystick is connected to 5 volts ground. These two cables control each of the servos because we have 2 servos. So joystick has control over the 2 servos, X and Y. We have the Arduino Launchpad connected together with the setup. So I'm going to show you that there is control over the servos, and this can be used in the floating lab to control any of the motion features, for example, water collection, the box collector, or anything else that we could control using servos. As you can see, this is the Y direction, and this is the X direction. Y direction, X direction. Perfect.
How's it going? My name's Ross, and I'm with Group 7, and I'm going to be demonstrating what we have so far with our lab toolkit. Our project's going to be a lab in a pond, and we're going to have a bunch of sensors trying to get that data relayed to a web server. And today I'm going to be showing our first initial product of our waterproof container, which is just a basic container which covers, and it will hopefully, or it has proven to prevent water from leaking inside. And next I'm going to show you our circuit, our humidity and temperature sensor right here. It's using the Uno R3 board without Wi-Fi. For our project, we're going to be using the Uno R3 with Wi-Fi, but for this testing purpose, we're just going to stick with this. As you can see, right now we have the LCD display connected, and it's reading the humidity with this sensor right here. We have it connected to our board and the code programmed on the board. And to do a demonstration, we're going to have, to show that it works, we're going to pass it on to Mina quick. And show her that. And as you can see, he's increasing the humidity, and hopefully, there we go, it will raise it up, which can be showed on the display.
So yeah, as we can see by the display, me blowing into the sensor just changes the humidity and the temperature, which means that our temperature and humidity sensor does indeed work. How we're going to do it for our project, as Ross described, we're going to be using sensors for our floating lab. We're going to be having sensors for inside the water. We want to be testing some stuff like the pH of the water, the temperature of the water, as well as we're trying to aim for the CO2 inside of the water. For this kind of sensor is on our floating lab, towards the top of it, we're going to have also sensors to test the air. So we're going to be measuring stuff inside the water and stuff outside the water. For this sensor here, we're going to be measuring the air of surrounding the pond. So this was a demonstration of the stuff that we currently have. This would be the air temperature and humidity sensor. As Ross said, this is the Uno R3 board that we have without Wi-Fi. This is the one that we're going to be using with Wi-Fi in our project, and the other parts that we need, like the other sensors and more, are on the way because we ordered them and we're still waiting for them to come. Those are what we have for now. Thank you.
So we're going to update this video after we finish with final exams and everything's done. Thank you very much.